Okay. So as we were saying, with the last one, you can just split these into shapes. And I'm actually going to show a different way you could do this one, just to show that there's only one way. We could have split this into this rectangle here, and that rectangle there. And that would have been just as good a way to do it as the way we did it last time. So lots of ways to split this up. Let's try the other ones and see if you're on the right track. This one here should be fairly obvious. I think it'll jump out at you. But the two main shapes I see here is we could put a line across here. And if we do that, down here we get a rectangle, which is pretty straightforward. And what does that leave us with for the rest of the shape? Well, this up here is a triangle. And these are both shapes we know, and both shapes we could find the area of if we had the measurements for them. So this shape easily becomes a rectangle and a triangle. This one here, well, same idea. It's very straightforward. We could say, I'm just going to treat this as a shape. So that's a rectangle. And that leaves me with another rectangle over here. Maybe even a square, but we don't know that. It doesn't show, well, actually it does. So this is a square, which is of course just a kind of rectangle. But you know it's a square because it actually shows you that all the sides are the same. And this is a square. Which again is just a special kind of rectangle. Nice. And the last example here, oh, this might seem tricky, but we don't get stressed out by it. If we put a line down here, this is obviously easy. That is just a rectangle. But this shape up here is half of a circle. And since it's half of a circle, that's easy to work with too, because if we wanted to know its area, we could just find the area of the circle, which we have an equation for, and since this is half of a circle, we could just divide it by 2. So there we go. I hope that was helpful for you.